Your next car could be the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this striking Chevrolet Avalanche, the full-size utility vehicle that blends pickup capability with SUV comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't sacrifice comfort to get utility. Enjoy the best of both in this stylish Avalanche. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.